Team Exercise 116, the feedback sandwich. During the exercise, the team forms duos. Let them decide who will be person A and who will be person B. Each duo is going to give each other feedback. Person A starts giving person B feedback about his behavior. First, he tells a positive thing about his behavior. For example, I really like that you are very energetic. It brings a positive energy to the group. Next, he tells person B what he would like to see differently in his behavior. For example, sometimes you talk a lot, but if other people are talking, you look at your phone a lot. I think you can listen better to others. And lastly, person A tells person B another thing he thinks is positive in person B's behavior. For example, I also think you are really funny. You make everyone laugh with your smart jokes. This way, the things he would like to see differently will be sandwiched between the two compliments, so the other person won't be offended. Now the roles switch, and person B will tell person A the same three things. The trainer guides the team and applies variations to the exercise. What kind of variations you can read below this video on YouTube. And haven't you subscribed yet? Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for a new team exercise each Sunday on youtube.com/teamexercises to improve cooperation and communication. Please sponsor this channel and yourself by buying my 101 Team Building Exercises book through the link below this video. A must-have for everyone working with groups.